All of you have see the screen. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
All of you have visited the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So in the last class, that is on yesterday, we have learned about uh, the partial derivative of a function with respect to x and with respect to y. Now, these x and y are the independent variables. So for taking the partial derivative with one of the independent variable, what is the main thing? You have to keep the other independent variable as constant. Okay, and again for the partial derivative of the other independent variable y, you have to take the uh, independent variable x as a constant. Okay, so last class we have find the partial derivatives, and I think for some problems you have to find the partial derivatives of a particular function with some specific values of x and y. Last class already we have discussed those. So example 4 up till we have discussed. Huh? So today we will go through the next. Okay. See here. That is after the question number example number 4. All of you have seen the screen. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is given to you? Given a function f of xy equal to 3x square plus 2y square plus xy cube. So you have to find what? What do you mean by f suffix f? F suffix f means the partial derivative of f with respect to x at the point 1 and minus 2, and partial derivative of y at the point minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, all of you have the notebook. Just take a copy for
Yes,
that.
sir.
So find out first f of xy is what? 3x square plus 2y square plus xy cube. Okay, first find out del f del x. Del f del x, what is del f del x? For del f del x, the y term should be treated to be constant. So del f del x of 3x square is what? 3 is a constant coming outside. So del x of x square is twice x. So 3 into twice x, 6x. Okay. Plus del x of 2y square is a y term, that's a constant term. So it should be 0. Then plus, see, xy cube. This y cube is a function of y. So y cube is treated to be a constant. So it should be coming outside. Then del x of x is 1. So what is the result of del f del x? It should be 6x plus what? Y cube. Understood? What is the value of del f del x? 6x plus y cube. Okay. Now, del f del x at the point 1 and minus 2 is what? Del f del x at the point 1 and minus 2 is what? In the result del f del x, 6x plus y cube, you have to put the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. What will you get? Solve it. Six,
Minus 2.
huh?
Minus 2.
Minus 2, sir.
6,
Minus 2.
I think minus 2.
Minus 8.
Minus 2 cube is a minus 8. Okay, plus 6 minus
Yes,
2. Fine.
minus 2.
Minus 2. That is del f del x, or simply you can say f of x at the point 1 comma minus 2 is minus 2. So can you find out del f del y at the point minus 1 and minus 1? Find it.
4.
What is del f del y first?
And it's 4.
Del f del y is first term is 0, so 4y plus x is a constant, so
3x.
3y square. So 4y plus 3x square, 3xy square. So what is the value of del f del y at minus 1 and minus 1? minus 4
4
minus 7,
plus 3 into minus 1 to minus 1, no? Minus 1 square, minus 3, minus 3, minus 7, no? Okay, very good. Del f del y at the point minus 1 and minus 1 is equals to minus 7. That means you are understanding the problem for finding partial derivatives, aren't you?
yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, next if you're going through, okay, function of several variables. Another important topic regarding partial derivative. Okay. Another very much important topic regarding function, what partial derivative. What is in function of several derivatives? So what can you see? We have seen that a function of two variables, that is f of xy, has two partial derivatives, isn't it? One is del f del x and the other one is del f del y. Okay. So in an exactly analogous way, a function of three variables, suppose f of x, y, and u. Okay, three variables we are choosing. So has three partial derivatives. What are those? One is del f del x, next one is del f del y, next one is del f del y. मतलब क्या होता है, अगर तुमको एक फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई यू दिया हुआ है, सपोज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड del f del x, what is the protocol? In that particular case, you have to take the value y and the value of the variable u as a constant, isn't it? Because already we have learned about partial derivative. So when you're going to find suppose del f del x, you have to keep del y and the value of u as a constant. Similarly, if you're going to find del f del y, you have to keep the value of x and u should be as a constant. Okay, and finally, if you're going to find suppose del f del u, you have to keep the what value of the variable x and y as a constant. Understood? Okay. So next word. Partial derivative del f del x, del f del y, and del f del u will exist for this particular function, and so on for functions of more than three variables. अगर हम लोग को सपोज एक मोर वेरिएबल दिया है यहाँ में, सपोज फंक्शन ऑफ x, y, u and v, so del f del v will also occur. Okay, so in this way we can find the partial derivatives of the function more than two variables. Now see here, this is the generalization part, that is partial derivatives of f of a function f what containing the variables what, यहाँ में कितना मतलब variable है independent, it's going on ना, x, y, u, v, w and dot dot dot. Okay, so from here you can find out lots of partial derivatives, that is del f del x, del f del y, del f del u, del f del v, del f del w. In this way you will going on. But just remember one thing, when you are going to find the partial derivative with respect to one variable, you have to keep the other variables as a constant. Okay. Okay then we will move to this question. All of you are finding this question? All of you? That is the task it is given to you. You have to find del f del x and del f del u for the function. Just write down the function on your notebook. In your copy, just write down this. Given f x y u v equal to x square plus x y square plus y square u cube minus 7 u v to the power 4. So from this function, suppose you are going to find del f del x. Can you tell me the result? What is the value of del f del x? Del f del x is what? Twice x
Twice x plus y
plus y
square.
square plus 0 and 0. No? That is del f del x is twice x plus only y square. Okay? Understood, all of you? Only Deepasri is replying. Others? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Deepu Satri?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shirlanki?
Yes, sir.
Soran? Soran?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajit? Rajit?
Yes, sir.
Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Partha Das?
Yes, sir.
Ritupal?
Yes, sir.
Dulal? Dulal? Hello? Dulal is not present. You have shared some videos in the WhatsApp group. What is that? Huh?
Sir, Rohan said he has some network problem. He showed in video, I think.
Okay. Okay, then fine. So next you have to find out del f del u, means partial derivative of f with respect to u. So regarding f with respect to u, x is constant, y is constant, x is constant, and v is constant. No? So what is del f del u? So del u of x square is 0. Then del u of xy square is again 0 because here no variable containing u, plus y square is a constant term that should be coming outside, and del u of u cube is what? 3u square. Okay, 3u square. Same formula for derivative. The dx of x to the power n is what? Nx to the power n minus 1. In the similar way, you can take del u of u square, means the variable to be differentiated and the rate of change of which variable is same. So you can easily find out del u of u cube is 3u square minus 7v to the power 4 is a constant term. So del u of u is 1. So finally 7v to the power 4. So what is the final result of del f del u? It should be 3u square y square minus 7v to the power 4. Okay? Okay. See, yeah, that is given in the answer. Okay. Okay. So, any of you have chemistry in HS from the science
Yes,
background?
sir. We all did.
All of you, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So there is a popular law about in chemistry. I think you have got. That is the gas law. All of you remember that? Ideal gas law. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is one of the what main important law in chemistry. That is nothing but the ideal gas law. What is that law? If for any pressure capital P and for 1 mole of an ideal gas is related to its absolute. What is this concept? Please move the window. Okay. Ideal gas is related to its absolute temperature T, capital T, and specific volume small v. So what is the gas law equation? That is PV equal to RT. Actually PV equal to nRT will come, no? But the value of n here is 1 mole, so this should be become PV equal to RT. Okay. So these are the expressions where R is the gas constant. So some expressions you are getting from suppose the gas law. that is the coefficient of thermal expansion alpha defined by alpha equal to 1 by V del V del T at P. Okay, now tell me what is the meaning of this expression? Alpha equal to 1 by V del V del T at P means what? Suppose you have some particular pressure. Suppose some, what is the unit of pressure? Anyone? What is the unit of pressure? ATM. Okay, so forget about that. Del V del T means what? Suppose you are given a particular value V, that is a function V, which is in terms of T only. Del V del T means what? V is the dependent variable. You are taking partial derivative of V with respect to T only. एक वॉल्यूम का एक्सप्रेशन दिया है, उसमें सपोज कोई P भी होगा, R भी होगा, T भी होगा. But del V del T मतलब क्या है? You have to differentiate V with respect to T. Okay, so whatever you have got, and at the final answer, you have to find out del V del T at some particular pressure, suppose capital P. That is the meaning. Okay, now similarly for isothermal compressibility, the thermal conductivity, this is the number B is the expression for the word thermal conductivity, KT. That is minus 1 by V. Now here you can see del V del T means partial derivative of the dependent variable, which is suppose P. उसको हम लोगों को क्या करना है? With respect to P partial derivative निकालना है. And after getting that result, you have to put the value as T. मतलब T का कोई value put करना है. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने already निकाला है यहाँ में. That is del F del X at a particular point what? Minus 1 2. What is the particular point? अगर del F del X निकाल रहे हो तो अगर expression में X and Y आ गया, तो उस X and Y को replace करना है वो दो points. ठीक है? तो यहाँ में del V del P जो निकलेगा, वहाँ में जो वैल्यू होगा उसको T से रिप्लेस करना है बस. And in expression A, what you are finding del V del T, you have to replace the statement by a capital. कोई भी प्रेशर से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं.
Sir, our CR Dulal Kumar not getting your sound.
Sorry. Now.
Sir, some of us not getting your sound.
Now. You are getting?
I am getting, sir, but Dulal Kumar is not getting sound. Why I don't know.
Yes, sir. Some of them are saying that the sound is not audible.
But how many of you are saying that?
I think
Sir,
2 or 3 of them. Yeah.
But it's clear, I think, no?
We are getting, sir, but why then I don't know.
Okay, just tell me who is getting. Deepu Setri is getting my voice.
Yes, sir.
Deepasri is getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rojit is getting.
Yes, sir.
Solanki,
Yes, sir.
Soran,
Yes, sir.
Partha. Partha, are you getting my sound?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Ritupal.
Yes, sir.
Dulal Kumar is not getting. Dulal. Oh, he is not getting my sound. What is about Jyotismoy?
Yes, sir.
And in Imomlan
Yes, sir, I am getting.
and Lisemba Singh. Oh, she is not also getting. Okay, that means what? Lisemba and Dulal is not getting my son. Na? So do one thing, just tell them to reinstall the Zoom app with proper sounding. Okay, they have some problems in suppose audio connection about it. Okay, I will give you in the message. Fine. Because WebEx is not going through properly. That's why I'm choosing this Zoom app. And one more app, that is Google Meet, but there recording option is not there. That's why I'm choosing this Zoom app. And most of the classes are taken by the teachers in this app. Okay, that's why I'm choosing the Zoom app. So better suggestion is that for Dulal and December, you have to reinstall the Zoom app with proper sound. Okay, there are some audio errors are there, I think, from my side. Fine. Okay, then okay, here the expressions are given. The how can you get alpha actually? These are the expression, nothing else. See here, okay, it's given R by P. Okay, now see. Okay, it's an important part, very important part. Okay, so पहले का आंसर नहीं दिया है, पहले का आंसर नहीं दिया है. Okay, we will do the solution for the first one later on. First, we will try to solve the second one for isothermal compressibility, and that is nothing but Kt equal to minus 1 by V del V del P at a particular point capital P. So, what do you mean by del V del P at a particular point T? मतलब जो एक्सप्रेशन निकलेगा उसमें T का फंक्शन होगा, ठीक है. जो भी कोई del V del P का वैल्यू निकलेगा वहां में कैपिटल T रहेगा, इसका मीनिंग है. एंड व्हाट इज इन द अबव, वो जो लिखा है अल्फा का वैल्यू जो है 1 by V del V del T एट अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट कैपिटल P प्रेशर, उसमें del V del T के वैल्यू प्रेशर में निकलेगा, इसका मीनिंग है. So how can you get these terms? How can you get the value of alpha and how can you get the value of Kt? We will solve here. It is solved here. So first one हम लोग कर लेते हैं, रुको पहले हम लोग देखते हैं सेकेंड वाला कैसे किया. So for finding the second solution, that is Kt, del V del P निकालना है, मतलब V को एक्सप्रेस करना होगा. That is the value V is expressible in terms of P. So V का एक्सप्रेशन कहाँ से आएगा? देखो, the expression for V will come from this equation. Are you getting my point? This PV equal to RT. Understood? The gas law, that is PV equal to RT. वहां से तुम लोगों को क्या करना है? You will find an expression for V. So V का वैल्यू क्या होगा वहां से? What is the value of V from there? V equal to what?
RT divided by P.
Yeah, V equal
RT
to
divided by P.
RT divided by P. So we have to make that actually. Why? Because see, in both A and B, del V del T निकलना है एक में और एक में del V del P निकलना है. Fine. So del V del P निकालने के लिए V का एक्सप्रेशन हम लोगों को चाहिए. The expression of V is required. That's why from the gas flow equation, you will find an expression for V that is equal to nothing but RT by P. RT by P. Okay, so we will move from there. See, आंसर में देखो V equal to RT by P ना. So यहाँ में हम लोगों ने तुमको निकालना है अभी, find out from this expression what is the value of del V del P. Sorry, what is the value of del V del T? What is the value of del V del T? बोलो. Del V del T means what? Del del T of V. मतलब V में जो है क्या क्या टर्म है V में? V containing the terms R, T and P. Okay. So we are going to find del V del T means what? The other variables. See, in V, what are the variables are associated with? R, T and P are the independent variables. Okay. So del V del T निकालने के लिए जो variable है R and P, that should be kept as constant. Why?
Constant.
Because we already learned in partial derivative. Suppose you are going to find a partial derivative with respect to one variable, other variables you have to keep constant. So del V del T निकालने के लिए you have to do R by P as a constant term. So R by P बाहर निकाल लो, then del del T of T is what? 1. So finally del V del T का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? R by P.
R by P.
R by P. Okay. So यहाँ में del V del T at a particular point P equal to कितना होगा? P का वैल्यू P ही प्लेस करना है. So R by P will come. Okay, R by P. So now, what is the value of alpha then? Alpha equal to क्या expression था 1 by V del V del T at P. Just put it over here. 1 by V is here and del V del T at a particular point P is what R by P. So R by PV हो गया. And what is the value of R by PV? You again go to the gas flow equation. R by PV क्या होता है? R by PV equal to 1 by T होता है ना? So that value should be put it over here. R by PV equal to what? 1 by T. You can see.
P.
See, it is 1 by T. Okay. So जो थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी का वैल्यू होगा वो क्या होगा? इट इज इक्वल टू नथिंग बट 1 by T फाइनली. So similarly you can find the value of alpha. Alpha का वैल्यू निकालो तो. Similarly you can find the value of alpha. Alpha का वैल्यू निकालो. Alpha का वैल्यू होता है del V del T. पहले निकालो तो. Find out del V del T first. Find out del V del T. जो V का एक्सप्रेशन क्या था? V का एक्सप्रेशन था V इक्वल टू what? V इक्वल टू RT by P. वहां से find out del V what? Del T find out. Del V del T निकालो तो.
minus RT. Minus RT.
वो अल्फा का वैल्यू निकाला हुआ है ना? हेलो
Minus RT.
ओके. सी
Sir.
सेकंड का सॉल्यूशन देखो. V
Minus
इक्वल टू
RT P
कितना?
square.
V equal to RT by P. So from here, what is the value of del V del P? मतलब del del P of V, जो V में क्या वेरिएबल का कांस्टेंट करना है, you have to keep the value of the variable RT as a constant term. So RT should be coming outside. Now what is the value of del del P of 1 by P? बोलो तो del del P of 1 by P कितना होता है?
Del
del P of 1 by P. 1 by P मतलब कितना है? P to the power minus 1. Is it?
minus P square.
No.
minus
Yes.
1 by P square.
Yes, minus 1 by P square. Because
1
for
by
that,
P. Sorry.
for that you have to find what? 1 by P is what? P to the power minus 1. So del del P of P to the power minus 1. उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है? minus 1 P to the power minus 2. That is minus 1 by P square. Okay, that's simple formula for derivative. ddx of x to the power minus 1 कितना होता है? ddx of x to the power minus 1 is what? What is the formula? nx to the power n minus 1. So minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 2. That is minus 1 to the power minus 1 x to the power minus 2. So इस तरीके से तुम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हो del v del p which is equal to del del p of p to the power minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by p square. So उसका वैल्यू क्या है देखो. Finally you will have RT constant हो गया, minus 1 by P square is find out. So finally the value of del V del P at the particular point T is minus RT by P square. So what is the value of thermal conductivity? Capital KT equal to minus 1 by V del P at the point T. So del V del P at the point T का वैल्यू क्या होता है? RT by P square is coming out. So minus minus becomes plus, so V. So what is the value of RT by Vp square? I think it should be 1 by P because RT by P कितना होता है? देखो तो P का एक्सप्रेशन में RT by PV इक्वल टू कितना होता है? RT by PV इक्वल टू 1 ना? The value of RT by PV from the gas flow equation, what is the value? RT by
1.
PV equal to 1. Okay, you have just put
Yes.
the value. RT by PV का value put कर दो यहाँ में. RT by PV will come, so it should be 1 P is left, so ultimately it should be 1 by P. Okay, so in this way यहाँ में से तुम लोग क्या बता सकते हो मुझको बोलो, हाउ फ्रॉम दिस टू एक्सप्रेशंस फॉर thermal conductivity and what coefficient of thermal expansion, यहाँ में हम लोगों का किसका एप्लीकेशन लग रहा है? द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव, देखा? सो पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव का एप्लीकेशन not in chemical science but in physical science, in other engineering background problems, partial derivative is very much what used. That is the thing from here. Okay, so next we will come. Okay, you have these exercises, so ये तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
You will be sharing the slide in the WhatsApp.
How can I share that? Yeah, wait, I have the PDF of this, so I will share with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. एक्सरसाइज डेलेस निकालना है द फंक्शन सर्किल का. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या है, डेल वाई निकालना है एट सम पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स. ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, आरंट यू? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे बिकॉज ऑलरेडी द टाइम इज रनिंग आउट. ओके, सेकंड ऑर्डर पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव. So we will start this part in the next class. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Second order partial derivative. Huh? So how many students are present over here? Wait, I have to close.
10.
11. Sir.
Stops here. What is the stops here? Stops here is option signal. So okay.
Sir, should we give enrollment ID in the set box?
Yeah, no, in the chat box. Also, parallelly, you have to give the attendance in the WhatsApp group box. Okay. Chat box पे देने से मैं ये close करने जा रहा हूँ. So better you have to give the attendance in the WhatsApp group. Fine. Okay, wait. Before that, I want to take a screenshot over that. Wait, don't leave, huh? Don't leave. Wait, I'm just going to
Okay, sir.
going to find out the screenshot of this. How many are present? Okay, so thank you for today. So next class we will start the second order partial derivative. Okay, bye bye to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.